In this lesson, we will solve inequalities using the distributive property, which is very similar to solving equations using the distributive property. Go ahead and read example 1 and pause the video here. X represents Gabriella's age, and I'm told from the problem that when I add 2 to her age and then multiply it by 3, and then I add 13, that will be greater than her height of 55 inches. Step 1 will be to expand to get 3x plus 6, bring down my plus 13 and greater than 55. Combine my like terms to get 3x plus 19 greater than 55. Subtract 19 from both sides of this inequality, and 3x will be greater than 36. And when I divide both sides by 3, x is going to be greater than 12. Graphing the solution on a number line, I can see that the circle should be open, the line should move to the right, and x could represent any value greater than 12. Taking a look at one more example, step 1 to solve this inequality would be to expand. So here when I multiply by 2, I'll end up with 7t minus 4 plus 6t greater than or equal to negative 2. I'll combine my like terms of 6t and 7t to get 13t minus 4 greater than or equal to negative 2. Now I can add 4 to both sides. 13t will be greater than or equal to positive 2, and now I can divide both sides by 13. So this comes out as a fraction. T is greater than or equal to 2 over 13. And if I have a number line right here, this point represents 2 over 13. I know when I graph it, t could be equal to 2 over 13 and any value greater than 2 over 13.